Hello everyone. Let's jump to floors and roofs for our project. Floors and roofs are the primary horizontal planes of your design. The floor defines the walkable space and interior character, while the roof is the building protection and acts as the fifth facade that shapes the building. So, let's dive in. Let's draw a floor first. To draw a floor, go to Architecture tab and from here, press Floor. Select the level where you want to draw a floor. It will go under that level. The depth of the floor will go under the ground floor level. So I want to draw a boundary of the house to make a floor. So from draw panel, select pick walls and hover over your mouse to the wall and press tab to select all the boundary walls like this and click once. If you want to draw inside, then click flip. Again, click flip to draw outside and then check the green arrow. If we go to the 3D view, then you can see this is our flow. But this is not exactly what I want to draw. I want 6-inch thick plinth slab. So I will go to the edit type and then duplicate and I will rename it 6-inch. Okay, and from structure edit, this is structure. From here, keep it 6 inches, enter, okay, and then okay. And this slab is not on the finished floor level. So I will keep the height offset minus 6 inch from that level. That means the floor will go 6 inches down. Now select all the walls in your project, select entire project and go to filter, then check none, check the walls, okay, and then from base offset give it minus 6 inches. If you can see, all the walls are joined to that floor. The reason is I want to make other section of the floor inside of the walls. So go to the ground level and draw floors. For this, go to architecture tab and floor and then edit type, duplicate. I will name it finished 6-inch. Okay, and then from edit, we will name it substrate and then insert one more. It will be finish one. You can add one more membrane, but for now I will add just that 5-inch substrate, okay, and 1-inch finish. That substrate may be sand and that finishes the tiles. You can select the material, but in the further videos I will explain you how to add the materials. So for now, click OK, and then OK, and then select the single line and draw your boundary inside of the walls. I will start from here for the main hall and draw like this. This lobby is also included. So escape couple of times and then finish edit mode. We have drawn our finished floor for inside, for the interior. If you see from here, this is our. Let's draw another floors. Go to the ground floor level and from architecture tab select floor, and I will duplicate it, edit type, because I want to select different tiles for different rooms. So this is for hall. I will rename it finish 6 inches for main hall. Okay, and then duplicate it 6 inches same, and I will rename it for bedrooms. Okay, specifications would be same, but we will change just finish only the tiles in the later videos. Okay, then okay, and select the line from here. We'll add this cabinet also from here. You can add under the door also. Then check okay. You can add this bedroom also. This is for both bedrooms. Under the door, and then check. Similarly, go to architecture tab, select floor, and then edit type, duplicate, rename it bathrooms. Okay. Okay. This is second bathroom. Then check. Okay. This is laundry area. You can add these tiles or maybe different tiles. It's your choice. If we take a section, click on section, you can go to the view and then click section and draw a section from here to here and double click on it. You can see a section that our wall is attaching to the plinth slab, and this is our finished flooring. You can check this fine to see the specification. These would be tile, these would be substrate, and that is our concrete slab. Let me make it 6 inches. If you want to change the size, then you can change from here like this. That's okay. The last floor is the wooden deck outside of the house for the sitting area. To create that, same we will go to the architecture tab and select the floor and then edit type, and then we will select, you can select anyone. I will select just generic and then duplicate. I will rename it 1 feet 6 inches, name it DECK deck, okay, or wooden deck, and then from edit type new structure, okay, and we will rename we will choose the material as wooden later maybe, okay, and then edit type and then 1 feet 6 inches, then okay, apply, okay, and then we will draw where it is required on the ground floor, right, and select the line, and from here add 8 feet, and from here 46 feet, go to maybe 30 feet 6 inches, then here, and then close. Remember, it's very important to close the loop. It should be closed area, so there would be no error in your drawing. So one is this one, and second one is here, You can make a different floor, but I will choose the same one. Make from here to here and select this line temporary dimension. Make it 3 feet 6 inches, and then I will tick the green arrow and view from. Later I will give this as a wooden material. So that's okay. This is the outdoor sitting area, and this is for the entrance. You can change this one by making a new one, new floor, duplicating the floor. We will create stairs from road level to the ground floor level. So for this, go to the ground level. We need stairs here and here. So architecture tab, and from here you can choose stairs, and then base level would be road level and top level would be ground floor level. After setting the levels, select the stair you want to make. I will choose precast stair, and from location line as right. Okay, and I will make desired number 3. Okay, and we will just make stair, click one end and click on the second end. So 3 stairs, 1, 2 and third would be this deck. I will adjust by these arrows here. First I will move it from here to here. Then you can align AL this, and then okay, and then simply finish edit, removing the railings. We don't need railings. If we see here, our stairs are ready. We can change the material later, and then we need here. I will copy it and then rotate RO from center, and then line where you want to, and at 90 degree. Okay, then edit stairs, move it from here to here, and then adjust it according to the width, and then click OK. We have created both stairs. Remember, this is from road level to ground floor level. If you want to fill this part of the stair, then go to the west view and check the height of the total height of the stair, 1 feet 2.5 inch, and then select the stair, go to edit type, and from run type make structure depth 1 feet 2.5 inch. Okay. Okay, now we have made the structural depth filled. Now let's draw a roof in Revit. We want slope roof for our project. I will teach you 2 methods of drawing roofs in Revit. First of all, go to the roof level. Here you can see we can't draw here on the empty space. We need some plan here. So from the properties palette, go to the range base level. It will show you the base level visibility. Apply. You can't work here, you just can see it. So to draw a roof, go to architecture tab, and from roof select roof by footprint. So this is our front view and this is our back. We want 2 feet offset from front and 1 feet from all other sides. So I will choose pick lines, and then from offset choose 2 feet, and then offset 1 feet. Now you can see this triangle. We only want slope roof in this direction, in backwards direction. So we will remove these rectangles, means these slopes. So I will click these 3 lines, select by holding the control, and then define slope. I will uncheck this. So the slope is only in the backwards direction, and then click green check. If we see in 3D, then we can see our roof is in upward direction. The slope is very high. To make it correct, select the roof, and base offset would be -6 feet, and go to the west view, and from here make it till the roof level by using this arrow. Make it to the roof level. That's it. And one last step is go to the 3D view, select whole project, go to filter, check none, select the walls, okay, and then from attach, select attach top, and then select the roof. All the walls in our project are attached to our roof. We have created our roof. Another method is, if I delete it, then go to the west view. Another method is by extrusion. Go to the architecture tab, roof, and roof by extrusion. We can make it, but first we have to draw some reference planes. For reference plane, architecture tab on the right top, select reference plane, and then pick line and offset 2 feet. For the front, 2 feet. For the back, 1 feet. And for this, select 5 feet. And now merge these. No need for this. Okay. And then roof, roof by extrusion, pick a plane, okay, and then select this plane. Click. And then okay. And then draw a line in this way, in the slope direction. Then click OK. We have successfully drawn the roof, but there are some problems. If we go to the 3D view, you can see there is no extrusion in this side and in this side. For this, we will give it 1 feet, so it will extrude in this direction, and for this -39, we will shift it to -40 this direction. Okay, and then to join the walls, similar method, select all the project, filter, check none, walls, okay, desktop, and select the. We have created the roof. If you want to add the gutter in the slope roof, then go to the architecture tab, and from roof select gutter, and then select the section you want to add. If you want another section, go to edit type, and from profile choose any profile you want. I will choose 5 by 6, apply, okay, and then select just a line or edge where you want to add. That's it. You can add pipes here. In later videos I will explain how to add pipes, fascia and soffits, etc. for the roofs. Thank you so much. That's all from my side. We'll see you in the next tutorial.